Hi, this is Lily from Shenzhen Yaxing, and today it's extremely hot, but I will show you our factory around. And this is our gate. Okay. And this 4-floor building is our factory. Let's go to the front desk to see inside. Follow me. Today it's extremely hot. I try best to make my eyes open.
This is our front desk. My colleague is sitting here. Also here is general office. The engineer and production line manager are in the factory. This is our semi-products. A lot of HEPA in there. You see there is an uncle operating the vending machine. Then the honeycomb filter. And this is also a semi-workshop. Put the active carbon with honeycomb.